Are you looking to become the next YouTuber and make money with it along the way? Maybe you simply have a message you want to share with the world. There is certainly no better place to share your voice than on YouTube, the world's biggest video sharing platform. On this channel, I share a lot of tips about making money with your videos. But in this video, we are going to head back to the very beginning, how to set up a YouTube channel so it's ready to start making you money, and we are starting right now. Before you can start making money on YouTube, or before you even build your YouTube audience, there is something you must first do, and that is, of course, starting your own YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a YouTube channel, the basics of getting your account set up, and the top tips for optimizing your channel. But before we get into all that, first I would like to know in the comments area below this video if the channel you're going to create is just going to be to share your passion, or you wish to make money with it along the way. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money with your YouTube videos as an affiliate marketer, make sure to check out the YouTube affiliate marketing crash course on tubemechanicsnow.com. I will drop the link below this video, and while down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, if you have a Google account, you can watch, share, make comments on YouTube video content. However, Google account doesn't automatically create a YouTube channel. Getting a new YouTube channel is simple and a quick process. Simply head over to youtube.com and click on the sign in button on the top right hand corner of the page. Then log in using the Google account you would like your channel to be associated with. Once you have logged in, click on the channel profile picture on the top right hand corner of the page and select create a channel from the drop down options. Next, you will see this pop-up telling you your creator journey begins. Click on the get started button and it will ask you to choose how to create your channel. You can choose to create a private channel account or a brand channel account. With the private channel account, you will create a channel using the name and picture on your Google account. Whereas with a business account, you can use a custom name that is only for your channel. With a business channel account, you can also have multiple managers or channel owners. Perfect if you want to grow a channel with another person or collaborate with several other people. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create the private channel account, which I believe is the most popular used account type on the platform. Now, at this point, you deserve to be congratulated because you have just completed the basic steps to set up a YouTube channel. But we are not finished yet. Next, you will need to fill out your profile and your channel description. This is the first option you will see after creating your channel. To do that, we are going to start with the channel icon area or the channel profile picture area. That is the icon or the small profile picture that viewers will see over your channel art or your channel banner. They will also see it beside your videos and next to the comments you leave on the platform. YouTube recommends that you use a square image of 800 by 800 pixels. For the file types, you can use PNG, GIF files which are not automated, or JPEG files, and the size should be 4 megabytes or less. You can use Canva to create a template for your profile picture size by typing in 800 by 800 pixels in the custom dimension feature. Then upload and add the profile image you want to use and download it from Canva and upload it on your channel. The profile picture you upload will be rendered into a circle for most of the appearances on YouTube, so you want to keep that in mind when you want to crop your profile image. It's also worth taking note that the new profile image you upload on your channel would take some time to populate on your channel icon area, so don't worry if you don't see it appear immediately. Next is a chance to let viewers who will be visiting your channel know a little bit about your channel. You want to let your viewers know what or to whom your videos will be about. YouTube provides this space on your channel to write a little bit about your brand and the content you share on YouTube. It's worth noting that this description area is limited to 1,000 characters. I think it's also worth mentioning that your channel description will not only appear on your channel page, it's going to be indexed by search engines and can also be featured across YouTube in the suggested channel categories. The external links area is also a great place to add your website or other social media networks that you use. So you also want to allow your viewers to easily access your other marketing platforms by adding external links to your YouTube channel. Sharing your external links also help your viewers to stay connected with you and your latest videos. To add a link is very simple. Simply enter the link title in this box, and on the next box you enter the URL link, which means you can link to your external website, your blog, or any other social account you are involved in. After adding all your links, save and continue. Next on the to-do list of setting up a YouTube channel is customizing the channel. At this point, your new YouTube channel is empty and boring, which means you have to customize it so viewers find it appealing. Customizing your YouTube channel with a channel ad or a channel banner is another fantastic way of communicating who you are as a person or business and to stand out from the crowd. So you definitely do not want to leave the default YouTube channel ad or banner on your YouTube channel. Again, the default channel ad is boring, it's unbranded, and I guarantee you anyone starting out or anyone who half-heartedly started a YouTube channel today will have the same cover art or banner. Adding a channel ad to your channel is very easy, but before we get into that, let's quickly look at how to create a channel ad that YouTube will not only accept, but also the channel ad will be a focal point, as it's going to be the first impression some people get upon visiting your channel. So YouTube recommends you uploading a cover or a channel ad at 2560 by 1440 pixels with a maximum file size of 4 megabytes. The best place to start with your channel ads is with the optimization of the image size that works across multiple devices for the best results. YouTube also provides a channel ad template in both PNG and PSD formats to help you figure out the perfect layout for your channel and how it will look across different platforms. Check out the video example on how I use the template to create a channel ad for the Solopreneur YouTube channel, and here is how it looks across different platforms. What you should really keep in mind when creating a YouTube channel ad or banner is to ensure that all your text and logos are within the safe area. The text and logo safe area is the 1546 by 423 pixel space at the center of your YouTube channel ad template. This is the area that will display on YouTube when your channel is viewed on a desktop screen. You want to be careful to ensure any important information such as branding, text, tagline, and key images are within this space so that it's always displayed as part of your channel ad across different devices. You also want to consider the area of your channel links you added when creating your channel. The links you added to your channel when creating it will be displayed on the bottom right of your channel ad or banner. So when creating your channel ads, it's important to think about this link space area right here. Now, if you're still new in setting up your YouTube channel, you will notice the channel ad space is blank with a clear call to action to add your banner. Once you've clicked on the link button, you will see this pop-up window that gives you the option to upload your own custom channel ad. If you would like to, you can also choose to use one of YouTube's templates from the gallery. Once you have uploaded your channel ad, YouTube allows you to adjust the cropping of your image so that you can ensure it's all lined up correctly. Next is checking how your channel design looks across different platforms. The clear section in the middle of the grid shows you the content that will be displayed on mobile and desktop, and the rest of the image will be displayed on TVs. Once you are happy with the way your channel ad or your channel cover looks, click on select and your channel ad will be added to your channel and save. If you already have a channel ad in place and would like to update it, head over to your channel homepage. From here, you can move your mouse over to your channel ad and you will notice a little edit button appear on the top right hand corner. Click on the pencil like icon and you have the option to update your channel ad or your channel banner. Moving on to the last customization feature, adding a channel trailer. When you first set up a YouTube account, it's very easy for you to overlook the channel trailer. But in fact, your YouTube channel trailer could be one of the most influential methods of attracting new viewers. Channel trailers are autoplay videos that appear only for people who have not subscribed to your channel. Good channel trailers are typically short and to the point. They can grab attention and give viewers a clear understanding of who you are and what your channel is about. I will link you to a detailed video on how to add a channel trailer on your channel in the YouTube cards in this video. But for now, here is how to quickly set up your YouTube channel for your YouTube account. First, you want to make sure that you have turned on all the customization of your channel settings. You also want to make sure that you have uploaded the video that you want to use as your channel ad on your channel. Now, on the home page of your YouTube channel, you want to click on Customize Channel. On this page, you also want to click on the For New Visitors tab. Then click on the Channel Trailer tab at the center. Select your channel trailer and click Save. That's all about it. So now you finally made it. You have now optimized and customized your channel for success. Now the fun part begins. Now, if you are just starting out on YouTube and you're not quite sure where to go from here, make sure to check out the YouTube affiliate marketing crash course on tubemechanicsnote.com. Link will be in the description box below this video. That will help you with everything you need to know about YouTube and making money with videos. If you have any other questions about how to set up your YouTube channel, let me know in the comments area below this video. And with all that, I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.
Yeah.